If your website isn't bringing in enough customers, this might be the problem. Most visitors decide in under 5 seconds whether they're going to stay on your site or they're going to click away. And the very first thing they look at, it's your headline on the homepage. If that headline doesn't clearly say what you do, who you help, and why they should choose you, they're gone. No call, no form, no sale. The sad truth is that most websites waste this prime space with something vague like, welcome to our site, or excellent since 1992. But that doesn't tell them what you do and why they should care about you. So here's our quick fix for the day. I want you to open your website and look at the very first line of text that visitor sees. Replace it with a clear, benefit-driven headline that speaks directly to your ideal customer. And here's our formula. Who you serve, plus the result they want, plus the problem you remove. Who you serve, their result, and the problem you're taking care of. So here's a few examples to get you started. Beautiful low-maintenance lawns without spending every weekend doing yard work. Reliable childcare you can trust without the stress of endless searches. Double your leads without spending more on ads. Just some examples to get you thinking all the way through that process. Because when somebody instantly knows you understand them and you can solve their problem, they'll stay longer and they're more likely to become your customer. And that's just one small fix. Imagine knowing every single area of your website that's costing you leads and exactly how to fix it. And that's what I'm going to do in your free website audit and custom marketing plan. I'll review your site across 6 major performance areas, give you a 30-day growth roadmap, and record a personalized video showing you exactly what's working and what's not, and how you can fix it. You're going to walk away knowing the exact steps to start bringing in more customers. And once you see those gaps, you have 2 choices. You can go back to juggle it all yourself and hope things improve, or you can let us put the right pieces in place for you. That's where the premium marketing bundle comes in. It's a done-for-you marketing system that puts your website, your Google profile, your social media all in sync while creating content, landing pages, and targeted ad campaigns that actually bring in qualified leads that we deliver for you. We'll handle the strategy, the tech, and the execution so you can focus on serving your customers. And I'm so confident in our process that if you don't see measurable growth in leads within 30 days of starting a monthly plan, then your next month is great. No fine print. If you're tired of guessing and you're ready for marketing that actually works, go to meritmarketingservices.com/free-website-audit right now, because one headline can help you today, a full audit can change your results this month, and the right marketing system can change your business for good. Click the link, schedule your free audit, and let's make your marketing work as hard as you do.